In the age of drones, missiles, and regional tensions, air defense isn't a luxury, it's survival. While the world knows about Israel's famous Iron Dome, another powerful shield is quietly rising in the east. Turkey calls it the Steel Dome. But what is it? How does it work? And is it really comparable or even better than the Iron Dome? What is Turkey's multi-layered air defense system? Turkey's air defense vision is built on a concept known as a multi-layered shield. It's designed not just to shoot down rockets, but to detect, intercept, and neutralize everything from low-flying drones to ballistic missiles. Here's how it breaks down. 1. Short range. A mobile air defense system with twin 35mm cannons and advanced radar. Hisar-A, a short-range surface-to-air missile system designed to shoot down helicopters, UAVs, and slow aircraft. 2. Medium-range Hisar-O. Developed by Turkey's own defense industry, this system can engage faster jets and missiles. It covers up to 25 to 30 kilometers and is a key step in Turkey's goal of independence from foreign-made systems. 3. Long-range and high-altitude SIPER. This is Turkey's flagship long-range system, still in development but successfully tested, capable of intercepting ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and aircraft at over 100 kilometers range. 4. Imported backup S-400. In 2019, Turkey purchased the Russian S-4O Triumph system, sparking tensions with NATO. This system provides interim, deep defense, while Turkey builds its own. So, together, this layered approach from Korkut to Hisar. How does Israel's Iron Dome work? Now let's look at the Iron Dome, one of the most battle-tested systems in modern warfare, developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. Iron Dome is designed to intercept short-range rockets and artillery shells, especially those fired from Gaza and Lebanon. It uses Tamir interceptor missiles, guided by radar and real-time threat analysis. Each unit can protect an urban area up to 150 square kilometers. But it doesn't intercept every rocket, it only targets ones likely to hit populated or strategic areas, saving missiles and money. Iron Dome is part of a bigger Israeli system that includes David's Sling and arrow. So while Iron Dome is a star performer, it's actually just one layer in Israel's Sky Shield. Key differences. Steel Dome versus Iron Dome feature Turkey's Steel Dome, Israel's Iron Dome scope, multi-layered primarily. Short-range layer origin Turkish-made, plus Russian S-400 fully Israeli-made battle. Experience limited real-world use, battle-proven technology and development. Some systems new mature AI assist. Deployment still expanding. Some layers incomplete, widely deployed across Israel. Iron Dome shines in rapid reaction to short-range rockets in dense war zone. Turkey's Steel Dome aims for strategic independence, covering a wide spectrum of threats with domestically built systems, with threats from Syria, drone warfare from non-state actors, and geopolitical rivalries. Air defense is no longer optional. But here's the twist. Turkey still lacks real-world combat testing for its newest systems like SIPER, while Iron Dome has intercepted thousands of rockets under live fire. Why it matters? Turkey sits at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and conflict. The Steel Dome isn't just a military tool, it's a symbol of sovereignty, of technology, independence, and of strategic readiness in a region full of unpredictable skies. Meanwhile, Israel's Iron Dome remains the global benchmark for urban air defense, fast, efficient, and tested. So who wins, Iron Dome or Steel Dome? The future belongs to those who can own the sky. The truth is they serve different missions. One is proven, the other is rising. But in a world of missiles and drones, like, comment, and subscribe for more global defense